Hello, and welcome to this important video. Today we're going to discuss a topic that is critical for everyone to understand. We're living through a crisis that many are calling the biggest crisis since World War II. The COVID-19 pandemic has impacted every corner of the world, and it has changed our lives in ways that we never could have imagined. In this video, we're going to hear from Robert Kiyosaki, the best-selling author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, who has a warning for everyone about the crisis we're facing. He believes that this crisis is far from over and that we need to take action now to protect ourselves and our families. Before we hear from Robert Kiyosaki, let's take a closer look at the crisis we're facing and why it's so important to pay attention to what he has to say. The pandemic has also led to a significant shift in the way we work and learn, with many people now working remotely and students attending classes online. This has highlighted the importance of having access to reliable technology and internet connectivity. Additionally, the pandemic has exposed the vulnerabilities in our healthcare systems and the need for better preparedness for future pandemics. The economic impact of the pandemic has been devastating, with millions of people losing their jobs and businesses closing down. The government's response to the crisis has been to print trillions of dollars, which has led to inflation and a devaluation of the currency. This has made it even more important for individuals to take control of their finances and invest in assets that can generate income and protect against inflation. Robert Kiyosaki's warning is a reminder that we cannot rely on the government or our employers to take care of us. We need to take responsibility for our own financial well-being and prepare for the worst. This means educating ourselves about money and investments, building a network of like-minded individuals, and investing in assets that can generate income and protect against inflation. While the vaccines offer hope for a way out of the pandemic, it's important to remain vigilant and continue taking necessary precautions to protect ourselves and our loved ones. This includes wearing masks, practicing social distancing, and washing our hands regularly. In conclusion, the COVID-19 pandemic has had a profound impact on every aspect of our lives, and the warning from Robert Kiyosaki is a wake-up call for everyone to take action and prepare for the worst. By educating ourselves about money and investments, investing in assets that generate income, and being prepared for emergencies, we can protect ourselves and our families and thrive in the years to come. Robert Kiyosaki's warning about the crisis we're currently facing. The COVID-19 pandemic has only been the beginning, and we're heading towards an economic crisis that will be far worse than anything we've seen before. This pandemic has exposed the weaknesses in our financial systems and has accelerated the trends that were already in motion. The wealth gap between the rich and poor has never been wider, and the middle class is disappearing. The government's response to the pandemic by printing trillions of dollars has only made the problem worse. It's important to understand that the stock market is not the economy, and it's currently in a bubble that's getting ready to burst. The real estate market is also in a bubble, and we're heading towards a wave of foreclosures and bankruptcies. To protect yourself and your family, you need to take action now. You cannot rely on the government or your employer to take care of you. It's time to educate yourself about money and investments and take control of your finances. The wealthy are not worried about the crisis because they're prepared. They understand how money works and they know how to protect their wealth. It's time for you to do the same. Start by investing in assets that generate income, such as real estate, stocks, and businesses. Educate yourself about taxes and how to use them to your advantage. Build a network of like-minded people who can support you and help you grow. The crisis we're facing is not going away anytime soon. It's time to take action and prepare for the worst. Remember, the only person who can take care of you is you. Thank you for watching this important video about the crisis we're facing. We hope that Robert Kiyosaki's warning has inspired you to take action and protect yourself and your family. Remember, the only person who can take care of you is you. By educating yourself about money and investments, investing in assets that generate income, building a network of like-minded people, being prepared for emergencies, and taking control of your finances, you can prepare for the crisis and thrive in the years to come. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos about money and investments. Thank you again for watching.